Masquerade say Zimbabwe, welcome to our channels in Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana kariki kutanga kukuya paneno channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana uchingwa karoka subscribe, but don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasmure Zimbabwe takigira yenye mbuditswa na the Minister of Transport and Infrastructure Development Felix Mona ababuda abachiradza kushungurudzika nekurwadziwa pamusoro penyaya ye7 vanhu vakashaika road traffic accident iyo yakaitika pakuwadzana 7 off muHarare musi weThursday apo parunzi 7 vanhu vakafa 4 vakakuvara apo kombi driver akafeila kupa way kuhaulage track muZimbabwe. So vakabuda vaFelix Mona vachitaura ivo vachiti vachibata maoko kumafamilies ese akashaikirwa nehama dzavo muaccident ivo vachiti our prayers are with those injured as they continue to receive treatment and care. Vachiti wish them a speedy recovery. Vamona vabuda vachitaura ivo vachiti the accident is yet another call for transport operators nevachityairi vese zvakare nemamembers of public kuti vaoneke vachiteedzera mutemo yeparoad muZimbabwe. Vataura ivo vachichema nekuti driver akaana kuteedzera mutemo hanzi traffic light raishanda asi haana kuwanikwa achiteedzera mutemo hanzi proceeded apo paaifanira kunge achimira chinzi this recklessness ndo yakakonzeresa kuti pavanooneka vachiluza upenyu hwavo. Taura kwatiri kuita the driver uyu arunzi achadzwa culpable homicide muZimbabwe uyo unova mutemo wakaiswa kana uchinge munhu auraya vanhu without my intentions ekuraya vanhu. Mutemo uyu uri different from murder and machaji ende mutongo wacho kwatisiyani newemurder. So driver uyu apiwa macharges batwa macharges culpable homicide muZimbabwe. Tingaziva kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi nyaya yabuditswa nePingula News vachichara achiti Felix Mona, the Minister of Transport and Infrastructure Development, has expressed sorrow over the death of 7 people in a road traffic accident that occurred at Kuwadzana 7 off in Harare on Thursday morning. 7 people were killed and 4 others injured when the driver of a commuter or minibus failed to give way at traffic lights and collided with a haulage truck, said Mona. On behalf of the Ministry of Transport and Infrastructural Development and on my behalf, I convey our heartfelt condolences to all bereaved families. We mourn the demise of young men and women who perished in this crash. Our thoughts are with all the families of people who were killed in the crash, and our prayers are with those injured as they continue to receive treatment and care. We wish them speedy recuperation. Mona said the accident is yet another call to all transport operators, motorists, and members of public to adhere to road traffic rules and exercise caution on the road. He said, whilst the traffic lights at the intersection were working, it is concerning to note that the driver of the commuter or minibus proceeded when he was supposed to stop. This was reckless and thus blatant violation of our road traffic rules and regulations. Consequently, the driver is being charged with culpable homicide. I wish to remind and warn all transport operators, motorists, and members of the public that the ministry will take stern measures to preserve the safety and security of the commuting public. Culpable homicide refers to the unlawful killing of another person without intent to kill, but with a degree of negligence or recklessness. It is categorized as a less severe charge than murder, as it may involve circumstances where the perpetrator did not have the explicit intention to cause death. Ndonya yabuditswa nePingula News muZimbabwe zvichinzi the driver apiwa chatongwa zvichinzi the driver achadzwa neculpable homicide according to Minister of Transport Felix Mona. Tinazoti munoona sei nyaya yetu dzezvo muri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mucomment section. Police yabuditsa a statement vachitaura pamusoro pe-accident iyi vakabuda vachiti the Zimbabwe Republic Police confirms a fatal road traffic accident which occurred on the 31st of October 2024 at around 5:10 hours along Harare-Bulawayo Road, Kwadzana 7 turn-off at the traffic-controlled intersection First Street and Bulawayo Road, Harare. 5 people were killed while 6 others were injured when a Toyota Hiace Combi with yet to be established number of passengers on board collided with a fuel tanker with no passengers on board. The Combi had turned right into the Bulawayo Road in front of the oncoming fuel tanker. The bodies of the victims were taken to Salimu Gabe Hospital mortuary for post-mortem, whilst the injured are admitted at the same hospital. The 5 victims have not yet been identified by their next of kin. Meanwhile, 2 people were killed while 5 others were injured when a Toyota Land Cruiser veered off the road and overturned before landing on its wheels at the 225-kilometer peg along Harare-Masungo Road on 30th October 2024 at around 15:30 hours. The bodies of the victims were taken to Mboma Hospital mortuary for post-mortem, while 4 of the injured victims were admitted at the same hospital. The other injured victim was referred to a hospital in Harare for further medical attention. More details will be released in due course. Ndozvakabuditswa nepolice vakataura ivo vachiti the ZRP urges motorists to abide by the country's road rules and regulations in order to curb road accidents. Above all, motorists are implored to avoid speeding in the country's roads. Ndo mabuditso akaita nyaya iyi ne the ZRP mure Zimbabwe tinoti nyaya inorwadza, nyaya inosirisa yeupenyu hwevanhu varasikirwa. Zvakare neyemasoja yakaitika kumvuma yakashamisa vanhu vazhinji mure Zimbabwe. The videos akabuda about this accident andinoda kukuratidzai mamaza zvamunofunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mucomment section.
Shame. Shame. Naimi.
Biringa yanga ichikwanira umo. Biringa yanga ichikwanira umo. Ichisiya kuno kwakusangana mota ichikwanira umo. Saka iwe yanga iri umo payakuda ingaibazidzama.
Zvaizvezvi tisati tasvika pamvuma. Chete accident mota dzamasoja dzarovana. Masoja akuwara zvakashata. Pakuwariwa. Patotakurwa izvezvi. Shame. My yellow barrette, I think vanenge vachiuya ku graduation yekumucheke. Shame. Anyway. Anyway. Shame. Shame.